Now this last question is a division problem. Now we need to remember that when we see an I, by definition I is the square root of -1. So when I see 2 over 5 minus 3i, that's really 2 over 5 minus 3 times the square root of -1. And whenever we have radicals in the denominator, we can't keep it like that, so we have to rationalize the denominator to get rid of the radical. Except we don't work with the square root of -1, we work with the I. The process is the same though. We have an A minus B group, so the conjugate would be A plus B. A minus B times A plus B is A squared minus B squared. So our goal is to create a difference of two squares. So I have 2 over 5 minus 3i. I multiply by 5 plus 3i, and we move that to the top as well. So let's multiply straight across. We distribute the 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 times 3i is 6i. Now for the denominator, let's work that out below and then transfer our answer. So this should be a squared minus b squared. So that would be 5 squared minus the quantity 3i squared. That's 25 minus. So 3i squared is really 3i times 3i. That's 9i squared. And remember that I squared is -1. So that means that we need to change the coefficient here to 25 plus the 9. And so finally just add 25 plus 9 and you get 34, and let's put 34 in the denominator. Now what we notice here is that we can reduce this, and so instead of distributing the 2, we probably could have just done this to save us the step. If we factor the 2 back out, then we can reduce it. 2 goes into 34 17 times, so it's 5 plus 3i over 17. Now we need to separate this so that it's in standard form, a plus bi. So we just say 5 over 17 plus 3 over 17i. And that's the standard form of that answer now.